So we are talking about collimation, the new flat earth buzzword. So this is a refracting telescope, and in order to be collimated we would need collimating screws. So this telescope doesn't have them, so it's collimated right from the factory. Above of this little refracting telescope there is a larger reflecting telescope. It's a Meade Advanced Ritchie-Chrétien Schmidt-Cassegrain type telescope. And as you can see here on the secondary mirror, so this is the secondary mirror attachment on a large correction lens, and in the back you have the 8-inch mirror. So the 3 screws are the collimating screws for collimating the light path, so that everything is nicely collimated when going to the camera. Now it happens that I have an old Vixen telescope. This is a refracting telescope, and this one has collimating screws. So this is one of the rare examples of a refracting telescope with collimating screws. And this one is also collimated right out of the factory, but in case you needed to adjust the collimation, it has the collimating screws. So there you have it. So in short, if we have no collimation screws, the optics are collimated right out of the factory. If we have collimating screws, we can adjust for collimation to achieve optimal collimation. So normal camera optics, including the P900 and the P1000, don't have collimating screws and are collimated right out of the factory, making some flat earthers' claims about collimation total bogus and ignorant about how optics work. So there you have it. This is the difference between collimating screws and not collimating screws. This is, by the way, an old telescope usable for solar observations. It's nice. And as you all know, this is my main setup with the Mezzu 2 equatorial mount. As of today, not one flat earther has given a proper explanation how the equatorial mount works on a flat earth. So if you see here, this here is the right ascension axis, and this here is the declination axis. So as you can see, everything turns around one single axis, following the objects in the sky as the Earth rotates. And this is a friction style mount, so when not powered you can turn it freely without gears. You can do this. It's alive, and it's expensive. Oh no!